Alright guys, I'm running my punt 1378 for the first appearance of Morbius. Thanks again for the quick fill. I'm gonna find a new home for this one. So time is 5:45 on Thursday the 6th of Jan, and time is 5:45 on Thursday the 6th of Jan here in Perth. Spot number 100 is back, up to spot number 1 is also back, and I've put them in 100 back up to 1, and there's back at number 1. Let's roll the dice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 rolls. Got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 more to go. Second to last one. And last one. Good luck everyone. Winner, hit me up when you've seen this. Alright, so list has been done 9 times. The number on the dice is 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9. And let's have a look who I'm sending this out to tomorrow. Rishi, congrats mate. Nice one with that pickup. Alright, so double check that. Rishi with spot number 1. It's been 100 items in the list, and it's been done 9 times as the dice said. Time there is 5:47 and it's 5:47. Thanks everyone.